So students, let us start with question number 8 of exercise 6.5. We have been given a triangle ABC, and in this triangle we are given a point O inside. From O, OD, OE and OF are respectively made perpendiculars like this. In the first beat we need to prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, it is very simple. Let us see the proof. Everywhere it is square and plus and minus, so but obvious the triangle you have to select and just apply Pythagoras theorem. Now you need to see which triangles to take. That is most important. First thing is you join this OA, OB and OC. Okay. And the second part, you need to have AF, you need to have BD. So we'll take this triangle, and you need to have CE, the third one. So first is this triangle, and second is this, and third is this. These triangles we need to take so that we can apply Pythagoras theorems. 90, so OA becomes in triangle OAF, OA square. See, I am not writing in OAF, F is 90 degree, and it is already given to you. So OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. Similarly, in triangle ODB, OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. Similarly, in triangle OEC, 90 degrees here, so OC will be the hypotenuse, so OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square. Now if we add this all equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, adding 1, 2 and 3, we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus OF square plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square. So all this we need to prove. Now OF, OD, it will be OD here. OD and OE will shift this side. We will have OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So we got the first bit. Second bit is again as simple as this one. In the second bit we need to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now in the previous sum, in the first bit, we have this AF, BD and CE, and in the second we need AE, CD and BF. So we'll take those triangles from here, the remaining three triangles. Now let us take this fourth, fifth and sixth triangle. So from fourth triangle, proof. This was 2, proof. In triangle OA, OAE. Now E is 90, so OA becomes hypotenuse. OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. Similarly, in triangle OBF, 90 degrees here, so OB becomes hypotenuse. OB square is equal to OF square plus BF square. So you see, we are getting this. Okay. In triangle OCD, here is 90, so OC becomes perpendicular, hypotenuse. OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. So adding all this, OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to OE square plus AE square plus OF square plus BF square plus OD square plus CD square. Okay. So now OE, OF and OD shifting this side. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OD square minus OF square is equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. Now you see, the LHS of this and LHS of the first one, they both are exactly the same, right? So if we mention it as equation A and this is equation B, so we can write from A and B we have AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Hence proved. We'll note it down. Let us start with question number 9, students. Students, question number 9 reads, a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base. So let's draw the diagram. Say this is the wall, this is the base, and a 10 meter long ladder. The ladder is 10 meter, which is resting on the wall. It reaches to 8 meter above the ground. We need to find the distance between the wall and the foot of the ladder. So this is x. Let the distance of wall to foot of ladder be x. In triangle, let us name them ABC. ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 10 square is equal to 8 square plus x square. So 100 is equal to 64 plus x square. So 36 is equal to x square, and it implies x is equal to 6 meter. Question number 10. And question number 10 reads, a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter. पोल बना लेते हैं 18 मीटर हाई, is 24 meter long and has a stack attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire would be taut? Taut मतलब खींचा हुआ रहे इस तरह से. So the wire is 24 meter, and how far from the base should it be connected? Like this. से हम x ले लेते हैं. So let the point be x meter away from base of pole where the stack be driven to. Therefore नाम दे देते हैं ए बी सी. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AB square is 18 square plus BC we do not know, 24 square. So x square is equal to 576 minus 324. It implies x square is equal to 252. That implies x is equal to 6 root 7 meters. This is how question number 10 goes. Question number 11 now, students. And in question number 11, we have been given that an aeroplane leaves an airport, flies north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Say the airport is here and it moves towards the north, the speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another plane flies due west with the speed of 1200 km per hour. 1200 km per hour speed. Another aeroplane moves towards the west. This is north, so this is west. How far apart will the two planes be after 1.5 hours? So first thing is to find out distance traveled by both aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. Distance traveled by aeroplane 1 is equal to 1.5 hour is given. So speed into time, right? Distance traveled formula, so it will be 1500 kilometers. Similarly, distance traveled by aeroplane 2 is 1200 into 3 by 2, and that will be equal to 1800 kilometers. Now the distance between these two aeroplanes can be found out by finding the hypotenuse of this triangle. So in triangle, say NOW, ON square plus OW square is equal to NW square. So that is equal to 1500 square plus 1800 square is equal to NW square. So NW square is equal to 2250000 plus 3240000. So NW square is equal to 5490000. Now if you find out, if you go on dividing this, and your final answer will be 300 root 61 kilometers. So this is how your question number 11. Now let us move to question number 12. So students, this is question number 12. In question number 12, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter are given, and their bases are separated by 12 meters. We need to find the distance between their tops. So we will construct a triangle like this. First let us name them A, B, C, D. Let us take this name as E. Now as this is 90, this is 90, and this is parallel, so this becomes 90, 90. So this becomes a rectangle. So if this is 6, this becomes 6 meters, so this becomes 5 meter. Similarly, as this is a rectangle, this becomes 12, this becomes 12. Okay. Now very simple. In triangle CEA, by using Pythagoras, we can write CE square plus EA square is equal to CA square. Therefore, CA square is equal to CE is 5 square plus EA is 12 square. 25 plus 144, that is 169, and that is AC square. So CA is equal to 13 meter. I will move to question number 13 now.